While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. What's good, everyone? It's your boy Dre from JREKML. What's poppin'? It's your boy. We're about to check out 17 LALALI. They came out with this like today, actually. Sometimes I can't keep up. I'm working on some other stuff. Follow the Discord, link in the description. Follow my Patreon. I actually am checking out 17 or Going 17 series, and I'm uploading it to Patreon, which you guys go check out. Join for free. Also become a subscriber if you can. Any thoughts, Taman? All right, now the thought in his mind. All right. Anyway, without further ado, let's check out 17's LALALI. Oh, 247. LALALI. That was fire. What? Oh, hell no. What in the transitions was this? Oh my god, hold up. The transitions in this bad boy. First of all, from the beginning, the track, like the title right here. Fire off the bat. All right, let's go. Come on. Sounds like it's gonna go crazy. Okay, Vernon. Dang, he look like expensive ass grandma. Ooh. Hey, I you mess with him. And he got the microphone with the speaker. Hey. Ooh. Oh my god. Is he on top of a world? What is that? God damn. Hey. Dodge she's too? Where are they? Wait, he said Malone like the free throw? Whoa. What is this? This is so much. Damn, I like his hair. Holy crap. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Vernon popped off like, damn, with like no one's business. Oh my god. Vernon, he did not have to do it like that. Hold up. Go. Woo. Hot topoki. Oh my god, that was fire. Sorry, I'm repeating this. Ooh. Woo. Hey. Whoa. Wait a second. No shot. Oh, they creating a ruckus. God. They are not playing. Did he arm wrestle? Did he just arm wrestle? Y'all. I can't take this serious. I love him. Bruh. Go ahead. Do your thing, boo-boo. Beat that ass. She's a different level. Different levels to this. Woo. Oh, we in a sauna and you got a coat on? You different. He built different. Wait, did he just smash an egg? Bro, I'm sorry for pausing. Also, I'm not sorry because this is my channel. I'll do whatever I want. But at the same time, I know it could be annoying. But did he just smash like a... What did he smash on his head? An egg? Is that spit jar? That's fire. Hey, that outfit fire. I mean, he always look good and everything. Yo, chill, my boy. Hey, you know, listen. That boy big, you already know. Let me see it. Damn. Can I be like next to you like, what's up, bro? Can I do like, hey, how you doing? Like, hey, listen. How you doing? How's your day today? Ooh. I love that line. Ooh. Calypso. Not the bulky. Ooh. That's this. Holy shit. That shit fire. Damn, homie got fried. They cold. Damn. There's some crazy editing here. Ooh. Oh, they on a different level, y'all. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Damn. Ooh. LALALI. Okay, they're playing cards. Damn. What? That is a weird way of watching something and scratching. That's a weird transition in its own from a foot. From a. Okay. Yeah. Damn. They went hard. What the hell? That was crazy. I loved it. Every moment of it. That was chef's kiss, literally. Wow. 17, bro. Different breed, bro. They breathe different. They breathe different. Real talk. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of 17. Taman, what you think? Damn right. Anyways, put in the comments down below what you guys think of 17's LALALI. Holy crap. Hot digga digga, not topoki. Like, bruh, that got me. I don't know if it got you. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Put a comment down below what was your favorite part. I feel like there's so many great parts in this music video and song. Good job, bro. That was fun. It's been a fun day. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a bit exciting. Be sure to subscribe and follow this Patreon. Link in the description. We are following Going 17 over there, so be sure to check it out. Join the Discord. I'll be on Twitch later today to check out more stuff K-pop. So be sure to join us at 6 p.m. PST tonight. Follow the Twitch. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.